I'm gonna share you how to research Google Ads keywords for your personal injury lawyer service or law firm. Okay, you need to understand some steps for keyword research. This is the 6 steps. First, analyze this business. As a business owner, you need to run Google Ads as yourself. You understand your business. What is your business and what is your goals from Google Ads. But as a Google Ads expert, we need to learn about the business, analyze the business. So this is our business. That's my website. And what is our main service? This is the personal injury. This is our main service. That's mean this specific landing page our business. This is the specific service for personal injury. Okay, now analyze this business. Okay, this is the New Jersey personal injury lawyers for USA. Okay, this is the location, specific area. That's mean not full country, not in full United States. You need to understand your location for keyword research and campaign setup. The audience location, not full USA, not full New Jersey. Okay. Analyze the landing page every point. You need to analyze the every point. When you research keywords, then you run Google Ads campaign. So you need to research your landing page design, content. Okay. Now first step, as you can see the call number, and call number very important for direct call, and this is the clickable call number. You need to ensure the clickable call number on website this page. Okay, now you need to read the content. This content is keyword based content or other things. So New Jersey personal lawyers, as a users or as a customer, I can search New Jersey personal injury lawyers near me or New Jersey personal injury lawyer service. So this is the organic type my ad can be for. When you run Google Ads AI check your website backend. That's mean the content check. The content are match the keywords, ad copy like headline description. Okay. When you research your landing page content, you can set up the call out extension also. You understand the call out extension. So now go to the main point. Research Google Ads keyword and how to use Google Ads keyword planner. I already discussed about this and upload a video on my YouTube channel. You can check my YouTube channel, and I also keyword planner the video link on Google. In this video description, you can check out the description box, and you need to select this is the location, specific location. So as you can see the website, and this is the website footer, also website footer, all website footer. As you can see the contact us option. This is the location, this is the Danville, and this is the Morristown. Okay, now copy this location and this area. Okay, this is the specific news article. Okay, this is our targeted locations, and I set up the location and also second location this also. Now save, and what is our targeted keywords? This is our main location. When we run the campaign, we can find out this location. This is a specific targeted location. Okay, so Google Ads keyword planner, this location not available to all locations, so we target main location. Okay, this is our main location, and this is our website. And we today we research just personal injury, not accident or truck accident, bike accident. This is a specific ad group or a specific landing page. As you can see, website service. What is our main service? Today service is personal injury. When we research car accident, only car accident, truck accidents. This is a separated group. We can research the separately for car accident, track accident. So today we will detail keyword research for personal injury lawyers. So what is a targeted keyword? Personal injury lawyer near me, personal injury lawyer user say, and this is a these type keywords are main keywords. Okay, personal injury. Now personal injury lawyer near me. Our targeted keyword is also lawyer. So we need to put our personal injury lawyers. Also, okay. Now, results. 943 keywords ITS are available, but we cannot select all keywords. As a business owner or Google Ads expert, we understand our business. What is the business? Personal injury lawyers. As you can, we can also put the personal injury lawyers. Personal injury lawyer near me. Okay. Select the personal injury lawyers. Personal injury lawyer near me. This is also high intent keywords. Okay. And this is CPC also high. When you research bullets keywords, we understand what is our daily budget good for this business. I mean, this is not like that personal injury, but our target is find out the personal injury lawyers. Is also makes attorneys or lawyers same too. Okay. Find out more based personal injury attorney near me. Personal injury lawyers. This is also high intent keywords. Based work injury lawyer. Based personal injury. Specific find out the personal injury lawyers. Near me. This is also same personal injury. And now based local personal injury attorneys in my area, personal lawyers near me. This is for a specific personal, not injury. Okay, personal injury lawyer near me. So personal injury claim selectors near me. As you can, we use these keywords and find out more keywords. So this is a separate location. Okay, we cannot use this type keywords. We can use personal injury news article or specific this location. What is the location? Specific this location. Okay, we can use this find out this type keywords, but find also we need to understand the how many search volume are these keywords available. Must be search volume need to available. Otherwise, we cannot use this type keywords without search volume. Okay. These 10 keywords good for personal injury lawyer. Now this is keywords, main keywords, and how to find out the negative keyword or is the negative keywords. Our negative keywords like car, bike, okay, bike accident. Like this is the personal injury, a specific personal injury, not a specific car accident or anything else. Okay, now write the car accident. That's So we can put the specific another location like New York, NYC, Dallas, New York. Like you can use the free, not free service are available. So we can put the free also. So this type to get find out the negative keywords for your campaign. Today is how to find out personal injury lawyers keywords. So thank you so much for watching my videos.